Welcome back to my channel. Let us cook today. Honey and ginger salmon with baby potato and vegetables. Enjoy. Hello everyone, hello YouTuber. Today we are going to do some seafood recipe, and here we have some salmon. So we're going to remove our salmon from the package, and we're just gonna slice it in small pieces. Now we're going to cut our salmon in 4 slices. To wash our salmon with some lemon, just to get some of the scale off. Now that our salmon is washed, I washed my salmon with lemon juice, and now we are going in with some black pepper and seafood seasoning. And also we're going to use some fish seasoning, seafood. You can get your seafood dressing from Aldi. Coat our bowl with a little olive oil. So now we're just gonna brush some olive oil in the bowl, and we're gonna go in with our salmon. So we're gonna put this in the oven. We're gonna make our sauce to go on our salmon, which is onion ginger salmons today. And we are going in with our ginger, garlic, and some honey. So we pour some onion into the bowl, and 1.5 teaspoon lemon juice into the bowl, and some olive oil. So now we're gonna mix this together. And in this, we're gonna add a small amount of brown sugar just to give it the color. And we're going with some brown sugar. The brown sugar to give it the beautiful glaze on the salmon. So you just mix all that together, and we're going to coat this on our salmon. So we're gonna leave that to rest for about 15 minutes while we do our baby potato to serve with our salmon. Just look at how lovely with all that glaze that salmon look, with all that seasoning, and it's not cooked as yet. It is gorgeous. Our amazing onto our salmon. Slice a few slices of this and add it to your salmon. So now YouTuber, we are going to wash my potato. They're not a beautiful color, but we're going to use this potato to make some. We're going to use this potato to go with our salmon. So as I already washed my potato, I'm just going to slice them to make it doesn't take long to cook. So I'm going to cut each one in. So now we're gonna put these in the pan to boil. Now we're gonna put our potato to boil. So as I cook. Right, so now we leave our potato to boil, then we go ahead and chop our veg. So now that our potato is boiling, we're going to prep our veg to go with our potato. So here we go. We have some broccoli here. I'm not going to use all this broccoli. I'm going to use some of it. So cut that bit off. So we're doing some broccoli. And on top of that, we are going to chop some carrot in small slices. This is what we're going to use as our vegetable to go with our potato. Now we are going to go in with some olive oil for our potato. So we're going to do our potato as how we're going to serve it. And secondly, we're going in with some chopped onion. Chop the onion them in slices. With our onion, and we're just gonna have our broccoli and our. As we are going in with our vegetables, carrot and broccoli. We don't need to add any water. It's very easy to steam your veg with its own water from it. Make it more healthy and tasty. Now, followed by that, we're going to add our potato and some soy sauce to garnish it to give it nice and cook for about 3 minutes. We're going to go in with our potato. Now we're going to go in with a pinch of butter. So you let the vegetables cook and just keep mixing it in. And our soy sauce to bring up that lovely taste. Lovely. Just let our vegetables sit in the soy sauce and our potato. Just wait for it to finish. Remember, always taste your food to make sure you get the right flavor. Now our potato is ready to go with our salmon, so we're going to put our salmon in the oven now for about 6 minutes. So remove the potato from the cooker. Leave it to rest, and then we're going to finish our salmon. As we leave our salmon to rest, we are going to place our salmon in the oven too. So you're going to leave our salmon to get done for 7 to 8 minutes. Our fish. Wow, and after 7 minutes, it is looking amazing. Look at that, it's look delicious. Now our salmon is done and it have a beautiful glaze. That's the brown sugar with the honey, and it gives you a nice glaze. Oh my god, and it's looking delicious. So here is our ginger and honey salmon glaze. Gonna put this on our plate. Now that we plate our ginger and honey salmon baby potato with vegetables, I hope you enjoy cooking this meal. It's a very delicious meal for lunch and tea. Welcome if you're new to Creative's Kitchen, and I hope you enjoy this meal. Please remember to turn the thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.